Water is the very basis for life. Without it, there is no life as we know it. Human beings are about 60% water, women have slightly more water than men, and children have more than women. Trees have an average of 50%, and of course the planet we live on is 2/3 covered by water. Pure water without anything dissolved in it is very rare to find in nature. Rainwater is as close to pure water as we can find outside the laboratory. Water dissolves minerals and small solids, and many organisms and animals live in it. This water at the Victoria Falls has travelled half the length of the Great Zambezi River and has dissolved so many salts and collected so much detritus that by the time it reaches the Victoria Falls it is a muddy brown-green in colour. And this is at the halfway stage, as the Zambezi will continue on for the other half of its journey to the Indian Ocean to eventually deposit all its contents into the sea. Rainwater, as I have said, is about as pure as you can get, and is the result of water vapour free from dissolved solids or anything else rising up into the atmosphere, where it condenses in the colder atmosphere and descends as rain, or crystals in the case of snow or hail. As this pure water passes through the atmosphere, it absorbs carbon dioxide, the gas responsible for global warming, and the rainwater becomes acidic. This acidic rain is called carbonic acid. Whether or not this acidic water ends up in the Zambezi to tumble over the Victoria Falls or onto land, if the rock or substrate on which it falls is chalk, then some of the chalk will inevitably dissolve and the water will become hard. Hard water is water with chalk dissolved in it. If the water remains cool, then the chalk stays in solution. But as soon as the water is heated or the pressure changes, the chalk comes out of solution and it becomes limescale. With this splendid site we have tried to show you products which will not only remove and prevent limescale and soften the water, but will also get rid of the detritus and other muck that you get in water.